we have Callum and Mike out for this, please? Right, this is called sound effects. Callum, would you like to come over to the microphone? Can we have a different profession for Mike, please? Something like I tell you what. Why don't you be a cowboy? Let's have Mike as a cowboy. Callum has to do all the sound effects. Mike can't talk, but he can move in response to them. Off you go.